Friends, in today's tutorial, let us develop formulae for sin2A, cos2A and tan2A. You see that if you want to get formula for sin2A, cos2A and tan2A, then you need to use addition formula in the trigonometry. What are these addition formulae? Sin of A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And tan of A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. By using these formulae, we can find formulae for sin2A, cos2A and tan2A. Let us clear one thing. If you want to get formula for sin2A, cos2A, tan2A, then what you should do? You should use the addition formula in trigonometry. Let us revise once again what are addition formula in trigonometry. Addition formulae for sin, cos and tan are as follows. Sin of A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Tan of A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. By using these three formulae, we can easily develop formulae for sin 2A, cos 2A and tan 2A. Now, first of all, let us develop formula for sin 2A. To develop the sin 2A formula, I am going to use sin of A plus B. That is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And to find sin 2A, in this formula, I am going to delete B and in place of B, I am going to write A. Wherever the B is there, what you do? You just write A. So, you just in place of B, write down A here and sin A. In place of B, write down A. In place of B, you write down A. So, A plus A becomes sin 2A and sin A cos A. Sin A cos A has come twice. Therefore, it equals to 2 sin A cos A. This is required formula for sin 2A. Example sin 2x. Then what you do? 2 sin x dot cos x. Suppose it is not 2x, it is only x. Then also we can utilize the formula. Suppose sin x is there. So what you do? You create the 2 over there. So 2, you create the 2 over there. So sin 2 into x by 2. Multiply, divide by 2. So now this part becomes A. So 2 sin x by 2 cos by x by 2 equals to 2 sin x by 2 dot cos x by 2. In general, sin k equals to 2 sin k by 2 dot cos k by 2. Example, if you ask me sin 75 equals to how much? To use this formula, suppose somewhere you require to find sin 2A formula for sin 75. Then it can be written as 2 sin 75 upon 2 dot cos 75 upon 2. Suppose sin 33 equals to how much? Suppose you require somewhere to find the utilize the formula for sin 2x for sin 33. Then sin 33 can be written as 2 sin 33 upon 2 dot cos 33 upon 2. This way the sin 2x formula can be utilized. Better you remember one thing. Sin k equals to 2 sin k by 2 dot cos k by 2. Now k is anything. K is anything. Whatever you say say that is the case. Suppose if you say k equals to sir 101, no problem. Sine 101 can be written as 2 sine 101 upon 2 dot cos 101 upon 2. This way we can utilize the sin2x formula. Suppose you want to find cos 2a, then what you are going to do? How to find out cos 2a formula? For that, we are having cos of a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now, to find cos 2a, what we are doing? We are replacing b by a. Wherever the b is there, you write down a. Here is the b, therefore I am writing a here, cos a, and here is the b is there, so I am writing cos a, and here is the b is there, I am writing sin a. So wherever the b is there, you write down a. So a plus a becomes cos 2a, and cos a into cos a, cos square a, minus sin a into sin a, sin square a. Therefore cos 2a equals to cos square a minus sin square a. This is the first formula, and this formula of cos 2a can be modified in two different forms. Cos 2a having two different forms. The main formula is cos square a minus sin square a. Now this main formula can be converted into two more formulae. We can call them as a modified formula. So cos 2a having two modified formulae. So what are those? So first formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a, and the another formula cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Before proceeding, let us revise the formula. We know that basic formula cos square a equals to 1 minus sin square a. I am going to use this formula in the next step. And for the second expression, we know that sin square a equals to 1 minus cos square a. Remember these two formulae. I am going to use little later. Now here the basic formula for cos 2a is nothing but cos square a minus sin square a. Now what is cos square a? Cos square a nothing but 1 minus sin square a. So in place of cos square a, what you do? You write down 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a, and open the bracket, 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. Therefore it becomes 1 minus 2 sin square a. Therefore cos 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. We have proved this formula. Now we prove the second modified formula as well as. So what we are having, cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Let us prove it now. For that again I am going to use the basic formula. What is the basic formula? Cos square a minus sin square a. Now in place of sin square a, I can write 1 minus cos square a. Therefore now opening the bracket, so we get 2 cos square a minus 1. After opening the bracket, cos square a plus cos square a, 2 cos square a minus 1 as it is. So cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Thus cos 2a having three formulae altogether. First one, cos square a minus sin square a, we can call it as a main formula, and two modified formulae, that is 2 cos square a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now consider some examples. Suppose you wish to find cos 50. then cos 50 can be written as cos 2 into 25. Whenever such numbers are given, you should able to convert them into 2a form. So cos 2 into 25. So it is a 2a. A equals to 25. So what you can write? Cos square a, that is cos square 25 minus sin square 25. And suppose cos 13 is there, where it 2 cannot be created automatically because 13 is an odd number. In case of odd number, what you do? You create 2 by multiplying and dividing, that is 2 into 13 upon 2, multiply divide by 2. Now a equals to 13 by 2 here, a equals to 13 upon 2. In case of odd number, you have to create the 2 by multiplying and dividing by 2. Therefore the cos 13 equals to cos 2 into 13 by 2. So a equals to 13 by 2. It becomes cos square 13 upon 2 minus sin square 13 upon 2. And suppose you want to use the second formula, cos 50. Then cos 50 nothing but cos 2 into 25, that is 2 cos square a minus 1. So 2 cos square 25 minus 1, or it is also equals to 1 minus 2 sin square 25. I got one more idea for you. In place of 2k, if you just remember cos k, then cos square k by 2 minus sin square k by 2, and it also equals to 2 cos square k by 2 minus 1. It is also equals to 1 minus 2 sin square k by 2. What is k? K is any number, I don't bother about. K is any number. Suppose k equals to 100. So I don't bother about 2 is there or not there. I just directly apply the formula. If I just remember the formula in terms of k. Suppose I wish to find cos 100. Then cos square 100 by 2 minus sin square 100 by 2. 100 by 2 nothing but 50. So it is a cos square 50 minus sin square 50. Automatically the answer comes. And suppose cos 33 is there. Then also I don't remember 2 is there or not there. I just remember the formula in terms of k, cos square k by 2 minus sin square k by 2. So cos square 33 by 2 minus sin square 33 by 2. Or if you want to use in terms of modified formula, then 2 cos square 33 by 2 minus 1 are equals to 1 minus 2 sin square 33 upon 2. This way you can utilize this formula. Similarly, we can find out tan 2a by using tan of a plus b formula. What is tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b nothing but tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. And you wish to find tan 2a, then replacing b by a. Wherever the b is there, you write down a. Therefore it is in place of b, if you write a, it becomes a plus a. Wherever the b is there, you write down a. So here is a b, write down a, and 1 minus tan a, in place of b, write down a. So that equals to 2 tan a equals to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Therefore, what is the formula? Tan 2a equals to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Example, tan 50 equals to how much? Then you have to see that it is odd number or even number. If it is an even number, it can be written as a 2 into 25. So 2 into 25, that is a tan 2a. A equals to 25. It becomes 2 tan 25 upon 1 minus tan square 25. And in case of odd number, Suppose tan 43. Then tan 43, it is odd number. So first you create 2 there, multiplying, dividing by 2. So 2 into 43 upon 2. So A equals to what? 43 upon 2. This is A equals to. So tan 2A, therefore tan 2 into 43 upon 2. That can be written 2 tan A, the 2 tan 43 upon 2 divided by 1 minus tan square 43 upon 2. And in terms of k, suppose it is only k, tan k, then 2 tan k by 2 upon 1 minus tan square k by 2. What is k? K is any number. I don't bother whether it is odd number or even number. K is any number. For example, k equals to 101. Then what I can write? 2 tan k by 2. 2 tan 100 upon 2 divided by 1 minus tan square 101 upon 2. This way we can utilize tan2A formula.